Uba elhek MLA ke BJP na patrom kra ulong ba ka Sorkar Democratic Alliance MDA ka dek wasngap ya kasur kisteng san perthei ke bete lang ha ka Sorkar kata ban khyllie bat pepnia biang ke memorandum of understanding blai soya pen kecela Meghalaya ban Assam ban pynbeit yo pur sa makin riutli ki jaka badon ci kanan dag ba ong ba ka Sorkar kam sim la phia la ka jingya lenti ban pynbeit yo pur sa ba ka Sorkar Assam ulapan pau ba ka jingya merching mut bat ke baidan menta paro akhmat ki nong song snong ka dek badon kam ba kanthop ya ke hima kinong ilam snong.
I told from the beginning the concerns of the stakeholder, particularly the residents of the disputed area, has to be taken into considerations. See, it should not be when we take up for any issue. It cannot be without negotiations. We need to negotiate. We need to talk. We need to discuss what's wrong. Without open the discussion with the stakeholder, we need to discuss with them. We have to take the concern of the same, the Hima, the Rangba Achnong, particularly the residents of these bordering areas. No, I'm not saying fail. This is the exercise being done. What is wrong to come one step more exercise to get amicably settlement of the border dispute. Meeting with the people, with the main stakeholder, the residents of the border area, is more important before taking the final decision.